Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing several quick and simple Dollar Tree DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
You're watching me steady, I know, wondering why I'm so hollow. You're showing me all of your best while I'm giving you what I got left.
For the first DIY, I just started off by painting the sign with a ivory chalk paint and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the paint was done drying, I added this family rub-on transfer in the center of the sign. So it could look a little bit more thick. I decided to use 2 of the wood arrows. Since I had several in my craft stash, I thought it was perfect so that way it wouldn't look too thin.
But baby, I know how it goes.
Now I'm just going to add some twine around and also make a small bow. For the second DIY, I just started off by painting the back of the sign with some ivory chalk paint and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm just going to trace some lines with a ruler and pencil, and once I was done doing that, I'm going to go over the lines with some dark paint. To give it a little more detail, I'm going to be adding some paint on the edges of the sign just to make it a little more distressed.
Hey, he's got me looking quite beige, got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no.
I'm going to use these letters and number stickers I got from Walmart for $2.98, but it was a pack of 700 stickers, so I thought it was a great deal. And I'm just going to add the Hernandez family, established 2012.
Tell me how high is your patience?
The type of burlap I like to use for these signs is the one from Dollar Tree, but I didn't have any at the time, so I'm just using this regular burlap and I'm just cutting it in half so it wouldn't be too thick. Now I'm going to also add this wired burlap ribbon as well as a white and black ribbon that I had, and I'm going to be putting all of them together with a zip tie. Once I was done putting the bow together, I'm going to be adding some lamb ears in the back of each side of the bow.
How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave.
For the last and final DIY, I started off by painting this wood plank that I got from Dollar Tree with some ivory chalk paint and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Next step, I'm going to be staining these 3 little wood crates that I got from Dollar Tree. Once the wood stain was completely done drying, I'm going to be adding 2 of the wood crates together with some hot glue, and the third one's going to be going on top in the center. Now I'm going to be adding some mini clay pots, and I filled them up with some lavender greenery I had. Now I'm going to be adding these rub-on transfers onto the wood.
Could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my weekly videos. With all of that said, I hope y'all have a great day, and God bless.
It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking.